Hey, hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Naval Yemul here. So, in this video, we are going to see how to format your page chart. So, it is similar to what we have done formatting for the column chart or a bar chart. So let us do some other changes. So let me keep it here. Let me go to the format and you can see some options here like we have colors option. So target is showing a dark blue. You can just change it for whatever color you want. So whatever color looks like nice, you can just change it. So fill color by default it is showing with the current theme, but you can change that too. So let me take green color. I don't find any green color in this, so let me take more colors. I can take a shade of green. Let me take this green shade and let me press on OK. So and let me take a dark red color for this target. So yeah, this color suits. Now you can see I have changed the colors of this gauge inside this, and I'll put a data labels on. Obviously the data labels are on. You can, if you off it, you can see this data labels minimum and maximums are off. So you can change the font size, you can increase the font size, you can increase change the font, you can change the color also of that font. So you can see I have taken something blue here. So let me take it dark or a black color on this, it suits. And it is showing the units. So I like this feature actually. So we have display units, it is by default auto, but if you want to change, like I want in thousands, you can see that you get in thousands. But this doesn't look good, like it is 3 lakh thousand. So you can just change it to auto, it will show you in million. Okay, so you can press, like you can click on this reset to default, everything will be resetted to default. And you can play around with the target label. So target label is this one, like 150 million. You can increase the font size and you can highlight that, hey, my target is this 150 million. You can show it to your stakeholders. I want to focus on this. So you can do in this way. Let me take it. Yeah. You can change the font size also. I can say I can take a bold symbol. I can highlight this. Hey, I want to highlight this. And you can take a color combination like maybe something very dark blue. Yeah, you can see that. Okay, so actually this is not a good color combination, but I'm just showing you how you can do the changes. Okay, then so this callout value is the value which is showing at the center here. By default, it is on, but if you just off it, but there is no meaning because it is not showing you anything. But this is your total sales and your target is about 150. You can change the font size. You can change the font. Let me take Arial Black, and this is what your font is. And you can change the color also. It is not a good combination, but just I'm showing you how we can do. So this is your callout value, a target value, a data labels, and so on. So you have certain features on this general, like title by default it is on, but let me do some changes on that. So it is the sales amount, or I can give a title as a target amount. So this is what my target amount is. And I want to highlight that the font is very little. I will increase the font size and I will uh, change the font size maybe to something different. Let me take Arial Black and let me change the text color to dark blue, and the background is by default white. Let me take it black, and let me take the text color obviously to white so that I can get a contrast, and let me keep it in the center. Now I think this looks good when you compare to uh, the old one, like without formatting. Okay, you can use some effects also. You can change the background color. So let me change background color to gray, and let me use some transparency in this. Yeah. Okay, I think it looks good. Now I'll put some visual borders, and you can change the color of that visual borders. So you can pick whatever color you want. You can take black, you can take dark blue on that. You put some rounded corners so that once we are doing a report building there, all this visuals like formatting plays a very important role. Okay, we will be doing that in detail. So let me go to visual borders, increase some more rounded corners, and put a shadow on, and you can see this visual looks attractive than before. So this is how the formatting works on gauge chart. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, guys.